time. Kind of one. Hello everyone, welcome to Average Joe Watch Reviews, where we do more than just reviews. Today we're going to take a real quick look at the Ice Diver from Brandon from Caseanddial. You can check him out on Instagram. I'm going to put it on the bottom of the screen here. Definitely mention Average Joe sent you, and he will definitely take care of you with the Average Joe discount. So if you're interested in the watch, definitely reach out to him. It is available for sale. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and also click a like. That is the most charitable way to help support the channel. So with no further ado, we're going to just dive right on into the quick look of the Seiko Ice Diver. All right, so let's get into the Ice Diver built by Brandon from Caseanddial. Always like the personal touches, buddy. Thank you so much for that. So the first thing you guys see, the first thing that pops out to me personally is that dial. You've got the waffle pattern, and in person I would refer to it more as like a champagne dial, which is like a brownish gold tone. Very, very unique dial. And as you can see in this light here, it's my studio light, you can see we've got the blue tinted AR coating, so it definitely helps with reflections. Right away, what pops out to me is that stoplight Captain Willard second hand. And look at the hour and minute hands. I'm going to call these the tongue depressor set. Guys, I know you guys refer to these, or the reviewers review these as something different, but I always like to come up with my own unique set of names for these hands, and these are the tongue depressor hands. Once you hear it, you'll never forget it. But very, very unique touch there, Brandon, indeed. These indices, the hand set is full of lume, and I'm going to give you guys a lume shot right here. Really, really stunning. There's actually two colors going on here, and it really comes across great on camera. This is an automatic diver, 200 meters of water resistance. We've got the stainless steel bezel here. So the one knock I'm going to give on this watch, which I give on any diver that doesn't have the pip, or should I say the luminescent pip at the 12 o'clock, I'm always going to give that a knock, because the bezel is really useless underwater, because this is what you're going to be following around to track your time. So I'm going to give it a knock on that. But aesthetically, it looks pleasing, and not a lot of backplay either. So the bezel's good. It's just a shame it doesn't have that loomed pip. So, but it does look very nice against the dial. I do like that very, very much. I do always love drilled lugs, simply because you could stick your spring bar removal tool in there. You just take that blunt end and you simply stick it in there, and you can remove the bracelets if you don't have a quick release. Now, you do have a signed S crown. So as you can see on the side profile, this is a chunky monkey actually. Let's just take a measurement real quick and see what we're looking at here. This is a 16 millimeter case thickness. And then our dial, while we got the calipers out, is a 41 millimeter. Lug to lug is indeed a 46 millimeter, so that's not too bad. What I'll do actually is I'm going to show to you on the wrist. There you go. It's a stunner. So this one is available on Caseanddial's website. Well, actually on his Instagram. I'm going to put his Instagram right here. Simply go to his Instagram page and DM him, and just simply say you're interested, and he'll work out a deal with you guys. Just say that Average Joe sent you. I've actually brought some business his way, and he's got plenty of satisfied customers. So, as you know, I would never recommend somebody that I don't truly support and believe in. He actually did one of my personal watches. Once again, this is the Seiko Black Bay, and this thing is done better than what Seiko could do. Very solid. I love the way he built this. Just really good materials. Loom crown on this one. Got the red tinted case back here. NH35 movement. Here's where I actually accepted a ghost movement because our plan was to actually upgrade the dial eventually, so we still may do that, and therefore we'll still have the movement. So we'll take a look at the bracelet. You've got some nice brushing here. Dual deployant pushers here. You've got the scissor mill clasps. Still got the protection on it, by the way. Never took that off. Snaps into play. 3 micro adjust safety clasp. Pretty standard stuff there. Case back, very sterile. But if you guys are looking to purchase this, if you want an exhibition case back, he can do that for you. Just simply ask him. We've got some Seiko edging, I call here. Not quite coin, but yeah, definitely like a Seiko bezel that you've seen on multiple Seikos. So definitely pretty standard there. A little bit of some crown guard action there. Definitely coin bezel though, or definitely coin edge on the crown, which is signed indeed. So we'll flip the camera around and I'll give you guys some final thoughts. All right, so just some final thoughts on the watch. I think it wears really nice on my wrist. It has a really nice presence. It's very clean. You know, that waffle dial is really, really stunning. And the loom on this is just superior. I mean, wow, really nice job. Again, this is for sale if you guys are looking to buy this. Obviously, I don't get anything out of this. I'm just doing this because Brandon has done really nice work for me with my watch. And, you know, he's just a really nice guy. And I'd like to take care of nice guys. So even if you're not interested in buying the watch, just follow him on Instagram and send him a DM just saying hi. And you'll definitely have a really good friend in the watch community. So that's my piece. I hope you guys remember that there's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and I'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. God bless, my friends.